Russian salad. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so you never miss an update from JIMJEN Kitchen. In a steamer, bring water to a boil. You can also boil the vegetables separately. Add half cup chopped carrots, half cup chopped French beans, and 1 cup potato cut in cubes. Sprinkle some salt. This is optional. Cover and let it steam until the veggies turn tender and crisp. Set aside to cool completely. In a large mixing bowl, take 250 grams mayonnaise, 250 grams cream, 5 tablespoons curd, and mix well. Now add half cup powdered sugar and mix well. Now add half teaspoon salt. Adjust the salt and sugar according to your taste. Add half teaspoon black pepper powder. You can also use white pepper powder. Mix well. Now add the steamed potato, chopped apple, 1 cup chopped pineapple, and the steamed French beans and carrot. You can use any veggies of your choice. Now add 1 cup boiled macaroni. Mix well. Refrigerate for at least 2 hours and serve chilled. Subscribe to my channel JIMJEN Kitchen, click the bell, like, share, and don't forget to leave your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.